So today we are going to continue a chapter. Chapter number 3, separation substances. We were on threshing topic. So let's continue this topic. Let's start with a drawing board. So threshing is a process in which farmers separate the grains. So this is a land. Here is a farmer. Here is a farmer, and it holds that plants of grains, and he hits these plants on the ground in order to release the grains. This process is called threshing. Mind you. Okay. The next topic is winnowing. So what is winnowing? Winnowing is a process in which a cooler is there and a fan rotates very slowly, not that slow. It's enough to push out the husk, and here you have a tub full of husk and wheat. This goes into this mixture goes into this. All the husk fly over here and sediments or drops over here, and the wheat all comes into here. So yeah, two separate mixture. Here is wheat, and here is husk. Got this much? Okay. Next topic is our sieving. So what is sieving? Let's ask, what is sieving? Post comment below. What is sieving? Sieving is a process in which, for example, let's take a net like this, which is you separate morang and stone that it has. Like this is morang, and this is small tiny stones. Okay, so small tiny stones. Okay, and here you have net, and here you have net. Okay, let's draw a net for you. Here's a net. Okay, and in sieving, this goes to this. So what happens? This morang goes over here and the stones remains here. This process is called sieving. Got, mind you, this process is called sieving. Got this much? So let's start. What is sedimentation, decantation? 10 seconds to answer in comments. Yes, time's up. So sedimentary decantation is a process with example. Let's start with the example. So here you take a beaker. So a beaker has water. Take a water in a beaker and put some sand over here. So after 2 to 3 days, you will find sand deposits below. So gently take another beaker. Put a glass rod and pour the solution. As we know that water comes above as it is less dense, as its denser than sand. Thus water comes up. So you have to put gently over like this. You have to put gently so that water can slide and sand can't. So the water came here is free of sand, but it's not that free of sand, but it contains some minute sand. In order to save our time and remove most of the sand particles, we use filtration. We use filtration. So what is this method called? Post comment what is this method. Okay, so this method is used to separate sand and water very quickly. So here you got a iron stand, and you hold like this, and it contains a funnel, and here it contains a funnel, and you place a beaker over here, and you pour the solution of salt and water, sorry, not salt and water, sand and water over here. So what happens, and you also put filter paper in it, so what happens that all the sand remains here. This remaining sand is called residue, and all the water comes here. This water is not that clean, but is, yes, it's free of alimentation, and it's free of what? Free of small sand particles. Okay, so for today, let us see what is our next topic. We have covered sedimentation, decontamination, filtration, and in next class we'll do activity number 5, that is this filtration only. We will cover evaporation. So for today, bye bye and have a nice day.